I am very amazed this visiting, and in efficiency era, Geely and Jinko factory is great choice to implementation in my area.
I just finished talking and communicating with the robot that met here, and it was amazing. Yeah, I feel like talking with human. They can interact very good with me, and I think the technology development in Shangrao is very good for our future.
Everything was digital, and now I'm here again. Today I've been experiencing amazing, very rapid development of China. So we've seen technology of the future. It's really 6.0 now is real in front of our eyes.